So you can see we just had snow here. I have an important message for you today about a thing that a lot of businesses miss out on when it comes to communicating with their customers. So I just had an eye exam, kind of standard annual deal, and it's at a pretty high-end optometrist, and these guys are like total professionals every step of the way. But at one point, so what they're doing is going through the whole process of the dilation and the measurements and all that stuff, and you get taken out to have tests done on different machines and whatnot. The eye pressure thing, and where they squirt a little puff of air into your eye. Have you ever had one of those? It's delightful. Anyway, so at one point, the optometrist goes off to do something else, and I'm talking to a technician who pulls out a little chart that I have no idea what it is. It's this it looks like a Rorschach test in color, kind of abstract image. She says, "So would you like the Optos today?" And I'm going like, the what? What is an Optos? She says, well, it lets us see what your eye looks like, kind of like this. And she shows me the picture, and I'm going, okay, let's see, does it cost something? What does it cost? Oh yeah, it's $39. Huh, okay, and so why would I need that? And she says, well, it's so we can see what your eye looks like on the inside. And I'm going, okay, why do we need that? And then finally she relents and says, I think I'll let you talk to the optometrist. So can you tell what she missed in that whole conversation? What was missing there? And I see this so often where business owners, professionals get so excited about what they're doing, they forget to explain the benefits of what they're doing. So here's a quick tip for you so you can avoid that issue. It's really simple. Anytime you're explaining a feature of your product or service, just simply tag the end of whatever you're saying about it with this simple phrase. And it's a simple 3-word phrase that'll, I think, do wonders for your business, drive sales, and increase your revenues and profits. And that simple phrase is, can you guess? It's "so you can." And then of course you're going to follow that up with some benefit to your customer or your prospective customer. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that little tip. I'm kind of walking under the bridge here. It's getting a little noisy, so we'll let it go at that. If you would like more tips like this, go to strategiccopy.com and look at our services there. If we can help you out with anything, just let us know. We'll be glad to. Take care. Talk to you again soon.